And wait a second. Okay, so my name is Juliana, and it's CardioAI. So you know that cardiovascular disease is cause of death number one in the world, and ECG analysis service market is $1.5 billion. But all ECG analysis nowadays is done manually. And I'm talking about Holter ECG records. It's 24 hours long record of your heart activity. And analyzing this data is very expensive because it requires a qualified specialist. It's time consuming because it spends from 20 till 60 minutes per one record. And even specialists sometimes miss important events, and it leads to misdiagnosis, and it leads to wrong diagnosis and wrong treatment. To solve this problem, we've created CardioAI. It's a platform for automatic annotations, any ECGs from any devices. It means that we eliminate all manual work, and ECG technicians have to only verify the results. So the 24 hours Holter records will be processed in 5 minutes with CardioAI, and it's available 24 hours, and it's available 24/7, anytime and anywhere. From business perspective, it means that companies that work in this market can process much more ECG records with the same workforce. We have created the best-in-class technology for ECG processing, and it's built around deep learning. Our current accuracy is around 90% in automatically mode for each event class. By the way, the human accuracy is around 80%. Our main competitor is Cardiolog's company, but they have only 6 classes in automatic mode, but they have FDA clearance. And we don't have it, and we're looking for partners who can help us achieve FDA clearance. Now we have a working solution and several pilots with different companies, like personal ECG devices with short ECG record, with Holter companies for long record processing, and we are ready to launch continuous ECG monitoring with connected beds in the US to the end of October. We have small revenue because to legally sell our solution as a medical device, we need to receive FDA clearance. So we are looking for 2 million investments to achieve FDA clearance by the end of 2021 and become attractive for companies like Philips and Medtronic. Okay, so I'm finished. I'm ready to answer your questions.
Yeah. Now we can move on to this section. Are there any questions from our judges? Carlos, perhaps, because I can see you're unmuted.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Besides cardiologs, do you spot any other competition in the marketplace from other startups in the space?
As we are only software company, we consider competitors who also do only software. And automatic software for ECG annotation and interpretation does only cardiologs. Because maybe you have seen, I guess you know, iRhythm or biotelemetry companies or others, but they do devices and software. So, and their software also can detect only basic arrhythmias like atrial fibrillation. And their software are not device agnostic. So they have software that can use only with their own device. Our software can work with any devices, like with Philips, with Schillers, with personal devices, and so on.
you. Any other questions, Marcus? Perhaps.
Coming back to your business model, you said you're a pure software company. So how do you earn your money? Is it prescription type, or is it a subscription type, or how? How do
It's a subscription. So our current business model is our current price is $5 per 24 hours annotation. For example, reimbursement for 24 annotation holders is $30. And this is a technical fee. So this is the money that goes to ECG technician. Okay, so we can do it for $5. It means that $25 service company can achieve in advance.
But you're conquering an established market from ECG specialists, ECB technicians, and they have long relationship with their doctors. How do you let's say get them ready to adopt a system like that? Because you're killing jobs on the other side.
Yeah, but we are not talking that we are killing, because you can't do make diagnosis totally automatic. You still need a human to verify the result. You need human to understand it and to tell that yes, this result is correct. So we are not telling that we will kill them. We tell that we can help them, because this manual ECG annotations, it's really difficult job, because they have to watch through this ECG data per each beat and see even small difference between each beats to understand what exactly is happening here. So we just make their job easier.